Hi friends, wonderful morning to all. This is Mahalakshmi from 10th standard. Today we are going to learn about global warming. What is global warming? The causes and the solutions for global warming. Global warming is an aspect of climate change referring to the long-term rise of the planet temperatures. It is caused by increased concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, mainly from human activities such as burning fossil fuels and farming. 1. Burning of fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuels like coal and gas to create electricity or power our cars, we release CO2 pollution into the atmosphere. Australians are big producers of CO2 pollution compared to the rest of the world. Our level of CO2 pollution per person is nearly double to the average of other developed nations and more than 4 times to the world average. Electricity generation is the main cause of carbon pollution in Australia, as 73% of our electricity comes from burning coal and 13% from burning gas. The remaining 14% comes from the renewable energy resources such as hydro, solar and wind, which do not emit carbon. Solutions: reducing the amount of electricity generated from coal and gas, increasing the amount of electricity from clean, renewable energy resources like solar and wind. 2. Deforestation and tree clearing. Plants and trees play an important role in regulating the climate because they absorb carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen back into it. Forests and bushlands act as carbon sinks and are the variable means of keeping global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Solutions: prevent deforestation and tree clearing. Plant more trees, enough reforestation and afforestation. Stop sustainably. 3. Agriculture and farming. Animals livestock like sheep and cattle produce methane, a greenhouse gas, which livestock graze to the large scale as in Australia. The amount of methane produced is a big contributor to the global warming. Some that farmers use also release into nitrous oxide, which is other greenhouse gas. Australian farming contributes 16% of our total greenhouse gas emissions. Solutions: use different stock feeds can help to reduce farming contribution to the climate change. WWF is working with a leading beef producers through Project Pioneer to develop trail and wildlife improvement, livestock and pasture management that can deliver significant economic, social and environmental gains. What is global warming? Global warming, the gradual heating of Earth's surface, oceans and atmosphere, is caused by human activity, primarily the burning of fossil fuels that pump carbon dioxide, CO2, methane and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. It is called global warming. Friends, in this video we have learned about what is global warming, the causes and the solutions for global warming. Please don't pollute the earth. Please keep the earth cool. Please don't deforestation. And please do reforestation. Thank you friends. Bye. Have a nice day.